Deep in the forest, a clever fox found a wounded bird struggling to fly. He knew the laws of the wild, only the strong survive. But instead of walking away, he built a nest for the bird and brought it food every day. His friends mocked him. "Why waste time on the weak?" they said. Weeks later, the bird healed and flew away. But something unexpected happened. Each day, the bird returned, dropping berries and seeds at the fox's den. Moral: kindness may not bring immediate rewards, but it always finds its way back. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this.